everyone, my name is Jessica Rosado, founder of Simply Her, and today I wanted to talk about our June products. So every month I get asked a lot of questions as far as what are the products and how do I use them. So we normally send out our newsletters every month so that you know what you're getting for each package in each month. We send out beauty tips, health tips, and we talk all about the products for that current month. So I also thought the videos showing you how to use everything would be also extremely helpful. So let's get started. For June, we've got the Argan Vitamin E Facial Oil by Pearl Essence. This stuff is like healing oil is basically what I call it. It's so nourishing for your face. So what you're gonna do, I usually just with the little droppers, I take like 1 to 2 drops. It smells so good. We're just gonna, just work that in your face. It feels so good. Especially after the clay, because the clay, a lot of times it'll leave your skin feeling red, a little raw. I mean, you know, it really does do wonders. So you want to make sure that your skin is extremely hydrated. So I work it in and then I'll apply like maybe 1 or 2 more little baby drops and just put it right over. Because remember, your facial oil is what seals everything in. Everything you've just put on your skin, that facial oil is what's gonna seal it. So you wanna make sure you're always moisturizing your skin, and a lot of times oil is the best way to go. So, especially stuff with vitamin E. Oh, it's so good. So, there you go.
Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. Find me a find, catch me a catch.
Catch me a catch. So that is our facial oil for June's summer package. So if you have any questions or to let us know what you think, comment below and we'll see you next time.